So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add patterns to a design here on Easel. So once you have the Easel application opened up, first thing you have to do is to go into the right hand side of your screen, go down to where it says elements right here and press on elements. Then once you're on the elements tab, simply just go ahead and press on patterns right here, sort of in the bottom left hand side, right beside tables and right above QR code, press on patterns. Once you're on the patterns page, you can simply just scroll down to the different patterns and find a pattern that you're looking for. So maybe if you wanted this pattern right here, you can do that. You can use this pattern right here, whatever the case may be. You can also make this the same size as sort of the background if you're looking for. So if you're looking for like a pattern background, you can do that. You can just kind of play around with it, do whatever you have to do, browse the different patterns. So once you're done, it's pretty straightforward. That's just pretty straightforward as I mentioned before. This is how you guys can add patterns to a design here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.